Look. We have a dollhouse.
Whoa, did you see it earlier?
Yeah.
Whoa, is that amazing?
We have a dollhouse.
Is that pretty fun looking?
Is that? And how many? Wait. There's only a couch on it.
And a piano.
Did you get us this?
This is from Grandma and Grandpa Burnett.
No.
Piano, man.
Now can we open it?
Wow. Look at that piano. It's got a button on top. I wonder what that does.
I want to try it. Oh, it makes music.
Yeah.
I like it. Mom, can we open the presents now? Mom, do you want to?
Alright, wait. Dad's gonna bring a couple chairs in here for Mom. And then we're gonna start opening it.
I know what the door chair is for.